Hi, I'm Rachel. Slipstick's bench grippers are a unique product that is used for gripping and protecting surfaces and can be used in the workshop, garage and all throughout the home and office. They come in either a set of 4 or 8. The orange gripping surface is an ultra gripping elastomer that will grip to any smooth surface but not leave any residue. The grippers are designed with ridges so they can be stacked and nest into each other, plus come with a set of painter's points. The set of 8 can be stacked to accommodate uneven heights and they work brilliantly gripping the bench and protecting the finished cabinet door at the same time. They are ideal for standing jobs, no clamps required. When it comes time for painting, the painter's points raise the height so top and all sides can be painted freely. They can also be used outside to raise pots and protect pavers. Inside, they are perfect to stop the unwanted movement of microwaves sliding across the bench every time the door is opened. They can also be used to raise a laptop to allow better airflow to stop overheating. There are endless ways to use Slipstick's versatile bench grippers around the house, and they are backed by our 5-year warranty.